Hey, if you want to open apps in the pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, for example, let's do this with the gallery. So first open the gallery, then click on this icon, and now click on the icon of the application and select Open in pop-up view. Now, as you can see, we can use this application in the pop-up view. When you click right here, you can also find some options to make it smaller. So right now it will appear on the right corner. You can move it wherever you want. If you want to quickly open it back, just click on it. From here we can also make the transparency effect. Next we can also move it to the split screen mode and go back to the pop-up view. And also we can try to make this navigation to appear just right here. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.